So if you've been paying attention, I've been doing a lot of maintenance on my Q50. It just hit 101,000 miles. I've done oil change, front diff, rear diff. I'm getting ready to do the transmission and the transfer case. I put intakes on it. I'm going to do, over the summer, I'm going to do a coolant flush, replace coolant, replace thermostat. We've done an intake, like I said, and an exhaust. But something today I did a short video of, it'll pop up there. But something everybody always asks me about is, how do you change the wipers on this car? And the reason is because they sit under here. You can't get them out. The first thing I need to do, of course, is get new wipers. I got these Michelins. They're 26 and a 17. Get your key. Got mine in my pocket. Get in. Don't push your brake. Push your button twice. Okay. Then hit your stalk once. Then hit it again. Have to double tap it. Okay. I didn't get it. Okay. Then it goes up. Then what you do? Come out, and you can literally pull them forward. So we'll take this one and that one, then one at a time. I'll set you guys down. We'll set you down right here. So this one is just simple. The way these work is they've got a little tab underneath, and then they slide down. Slide down like such. This one over here has a little tab on top. Okay, take those off. Take the new ones. Like I said, 2617. I got these Michelins at Walmart. These are your standard J-hook type assembly. So all you do, take it, line it up. You'll hear it click. Push this down. Done. Take your 17. Why is this one taking the other one wasn't? Take your 17, same thing, flip this little thing up, put it in here, and you'll feel it click, hear it click, push this down, done. Now take this little cover here off. It's just two little things on the ends. Push it back down. Push it back down. Take these off. Push it back down. Get in here. Hit it again. And there you go. You've just changed your wipers. It's one of them things that's like, the first time I did it, I actually did it out under the hood. Like I actually pushed them out under the hood, and it was not easy. And then I figured it out in the instruction manual at the shop I work at. So now we'll clean up. That's like a 5-10 minute job, and you just replace your own wipers. Super simple.